So, hi, dear Aquarius. Very, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a mid monthly reading for all the Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the end of August 2025. There's no role reversal. It's not a love reading or career reading or anything specific, but whatever messages will come, I will just let you guys know. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. Let's start, dear ones. Overall energy for Aquarius people for the rest of the month of August 2025. Let's see. Nachi nachi kenche, oh nachi. I don't know the lyrics of the song, but I just know the tune. For you the overall energy is 8 of swords. You are going to make everything look like it's very difficult. Your mind is going to continuously create stories that are not at all true, and you are going to believe your mind. Then a point will come when you are going to realize it's becoming over now. Now I should just get out of this trap, get out of this mental jail, and see the truth and the situations and things and people for what they are and who they are, instead of listening to my mind and trusting my mind. Yeah, finally you are going to realize that. Let's see in the recent past what was happening. Lovely people, let's see. Today is 16th, 18th. I have to go. Okay, let's see. Page of Cups. So, in the recent past, you had a very open energy and beautiful, childlike, innocent kind of energy, full of gratitude, full of love, full of forgiveness, and you were not in any kind of revengeful kind of energy towards anything or anyone. It's like a beautiful, childlike energy, childlike, innocent kind of energies. Although the emotions were a little bit here and there, all over the place, you can say, but at the same time, it was innocent, beautiful, full of love kind of energy. Currently, we have the Knight of Pentacles. You might be feeling like things are stuck and not going anywhere. You're not able to give pace to your life. Things are not moving forward. Kind of stuck but stable at the same time. Stable but stuck. We will clarify these cards in order to get the clear picture. By the end of this month, we have the Hanged Man. My heart chakra is doom doom pulsating hardly. Sometimes it happens after meditation. Okay, so by the end of this month, we have the Hanged Man. You are going to be in the surrender mode. You are going to be like, okay, let's chill, take a chill pill. Let's clarify these cards one by one in order to get the clear picture of the situation, Aquarius. Let's clarify the Page of Cups. We had the Ten of Wands, the Page of Pentacles, the Nine of Pentacles. Yeah, it was very, very difficult for you to like keep your emotions in control. They were all over the place, I was telling you. I told you. And then you felt like, okay, let's be a little practical. Let's not take each and everything in life personally, and let's start being practical about life, and let's start working on myself, my money, my job, my career, my looks, my finances, my independence, my freedom, blah blah blah. I can make a rap. That. I don't know. But anyways, you were trying your best to drop this all over the place kind of feeling and be practical about your life and start from the scratch, and gathering all of your courage and strength and love and everything, and focusing on yourself, most importantly on your looks and your money. Show me the money, honey. That was your recent past energies. Currently, we have the Knight of Pentacles. Now you're feeling stuck. You're like, okay, life is boring, a little bit stable but boring. Everything is stuck. Nothing is moving ahead. What's happening? Happens with all of us, right? Let's clarify the Knight of Pentacles. We have the Knight of Pentacles, the Temperance, and the Fool card. It's like you're being extremely, extremely patient with life, with yourself, with everything that's going on in your life right now at this present moment. And you're waiting for that moment of your life, waiting for that time of your life where you will be ready to move forward and take the risk of jumping into the unknown. It's like you're trying to be comfortable with the idea that nothing on this planet Earth is permanent. Not you, not this phase of your life, nothing. And you are just waiting for the time when you are going to feel the enthusiasm again to live your life to the fullest and jump into the unknown and just love your life to the fullest without any kind of tension or without any kind of stressful energies around you. For some of you, you are trying to be financially independent so that you can just roam around the world freely and just enjoy your life to the fullest. For others of you, it's the energetic feeling of I am stuck, life is boring, life is kind of slow, but at the same time you are not resisting it, you are just accepting it, and you are waiting for the time when you will be able to feel enthusiastic again to live your life like a kid or without any kind of care in the world. Okay, by the end of this month we have the Hanged Man. Let's clarify this. We have the Strength and the Four of Swords and the Seven of Swords. No, don't show me this. I should do yoga or some stretches or something. It's like you are going to realize something, you are going to realize something big, big, big time. And you're going to be like, I don't want to face it. Nah, I don't want to face it. I want to take my time. I don't know why am I becoming over dramatic today in your reading. Depends on the energy. Maybe you need it. That's why. Or maybe I'm stupid. Anyway, so you are going to be in the surrender mode. You are going to be like, okay, let me just chill. Whatever will happen. I'll see whatever will happen. I don't have to take tension. I don't have to worry about all the time, about my future all the time. Let's just be in the moment. And it's not easy for you guys. For God's sake, you guys are air signs, and your mind is continuously in this energy of let's do this, let's do that. Life is messed up, life is fucked up, we should do this, we should do that, why not try this, why not? And it's taking you a lot of strength and courage to remain detached and be in this taking a chill pill kind of a mode. But at the same time, there is some kind of truth that that needs to come out so that you can be completely free and take a chill pill in reality. And you are going to be continuously in this energy of, but I'm doing fine. There's nothing that I need to resolve. There's nothing that I need to get out of my system. You know what is happening here? Aquarius, by the end of this month, you are going to pretend that you are taking a chill pill, you don't care about anything or anyone, you are just living your life and you are just being in the slow mode and everything is fine. But your mind is telling you otherwise. And this war between your mind and the way you are pretending to be is kind of going to make you feel like, okay, liar, liar, pants on fire. That is the truth that you are not telling to yourself, that you are not at peace. You are not at peace the way you should be by doing whatever you are doing, because your mind is continuously racing, mind is continuously creating stories, mind is continuously telling you no, not the right path, and you are listening to the mind but pretending to be not listening at all. I hope I'm able to make you understand. For you, the guidance here is the Four of Wands. It's like if you are going to try to find stability in each and everything in your life, you're never going to get it. Life is very, very unpredictable, Aquarius, and trying to find something stable, something safe, something secure all the time, it's not possible. Everything cannot be sorted, everything cannot be lined up, everything cannot be planned. Even if you do that, you cannot. This control you have to let go of. Aquarius, you're trying to control each and everything in your life by trying to make up this story that everything is stable, everything is under control, see how relaxed I am. But you're not. You're continuously racing in the future and you're continuously in the past. and that's why it's an energy mismatch. Yeah, so you have to live with this truth, accept this reality that everything cannot be planned. Commitment cannot be planned properly, stability cannot be planned properly, life cannot be planned. It's an unplanned business, and it will always be. Yep. It's like you cannot control each and everything in your life. Some things, some situations you can, but not everything. And the irony here is I don't see you trying to control each and everything, but it's happening, and you're not denying it, but you're not accepting it fully. That's the deception here. Anyways, for you, the guidance from the angel world. Uh, what? Two hearts dedicated to creating something wonderful. Maybe there is someone around you that you can take help from, and they can help you to go through this process. So use your heart over your mind, it will help you, and take help from somebody. Okay, kindred spirits, you are going to meet somebody good, somebody beautiful, somebody who is going to help you to navigate through this process in a gentle way, maybe in a loving way. Don't give up on those you love. Maybe you are trying to detach yourself from everything or everyone, including who are actually good for you, who actually really loves you, and you love them back. It's not always about romantic love or romantic partnerships. So connect with those people, those energies whom you know is good for you, whom you love with all of your heart and soul, and they are there for you. Okay, and then take help and keep moving forward. Cool. So thank you so much for tuning in, Aquarius. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.